Gets it back out. So Romel Adukol. Sino ba yan? First 2 points for Adukol on a jump shot at that.
But he's taken a couple of that this conference. Nakikita natin ha. Pero si Coach Ryan is showing a lot of confidence dito kay Romel Adukol dahil pinapabayaan niyang tumira at hindi ganun kalayo.
Ayun. Rafi Rivas finally breaks the silence.
Watch out for the Adukol Mamarin matchup at yun, sabi ko na sa inyo.
Mukhang double foul ang tatawag ni referee Ting. Napukulyahan po yung dalawang yan, si Adukol at si Billy Mamaril. Yeah. So, tigalawan na sila. Yung. Kasasabi lang po ni Jason Webb na pagbasdan niyo yan, nangyari na kaagad. Kirby Raimundo. Hindi makatira. And the ball is stolen by J.J. Helderband. 3-on-3. Tubid is open. Wala. And grabbing the rebound is Peter June Simon. Pinabante ni Mark Macapagal. At hindi na iwanan ni Mark Macapagal dahil kanina po nanalasa. Romel Adukol taking it to the hole strongly. To the roar of the crowd.
And believe me, that matchup has got another hard foul in it right now. Dahil sa nangyari na yun.
Ito, tingnan natin. Nagsisigawan ng mga tao rito. Billy Mamaril works against Adukol. At ang layup niya, tinulungan ni Kirby Raimundo. Si Romel Adukol, and the foul is going to be called.
Well, it could have been a hard foul or an excellent move.
Yeah.
Ito si Romel Adukol kanina. Yan yung unang bangga nila. Nagkainitan na pagkatapos. Pero, papakitaan nga natin. Mabilis ata to.
Kakaibang galaw yan ni Romel Adukol. Ano, ha? And Billy Mamaril to the jeers of the Pure Foods fans misses the first free throw.
Pero Ed, ang dami talagang dumating ng mga Pure Foods fans sa Cuneta ngayong araw na to. Dahil halos hati tayo eh. Cuneta at saka Pure Foods.
Normally yan, yung Barangay Ginebra would have about an 80 to 20 advantage sa crowd support. Pero dito, narinig din natin malakas na paghiyaw ng mga fans ng Pure Foods. Well, everybody loves a winner. Brandon Cablai tries to get away from Tubi. Kirby from the outside. In and out. Rafi Rivas rebound. Narito si Ronald Tubid. Binigay kay J.J. Helderband. Inside to Billy Mamaril. Ayun na naman nahiyawan ng mga tao. And he got off balance, but he got it off to J.J. Helderband. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Helderband's pass is picked off by Adukol. Ito na si Peter June Simon. Tuloy-tuloy. Yan ang sinasabi mo, taking strong on the fast break layup.
And it's been Peter June Simon's half. He already has 17 points. He comes off the bench, scores 17. What more can you ask for?
Well, they are in the lead by 15 big points now. 15 ang abante ng Pure Foods over Barangay Ginebra with 4:40 remaining in the second quarter. At 30 seconds lang ang tinawag ni Coach Jong Wichico rito to try and settle down his boys. Medyo may konting gigil, ha? At nahalata natin kaya yung mga tira, pag nanggigigil ka, normally, ganun nga mangyayari, ha? Ayaw pumasok, tumatama sa gilid ng ring. Ito naman yung magandang galaw ni Romel Adukol, taking advantage of the helter-skelter situation there. Tuloy-tuloy yung banggaan nila ni Billy Mamaril.
Alam mo, isa pa yung kailangan dito sa laro natin. Of course, you have to be physically strong. What's really important is mentally and emotionally, you have to be sharp and not lose your focus.
Oh, yeah.
Pag yun ang nawala, di bali na, miski malakas ka. Wala yung
wala,
laro mo.
wala rin yun.
Oo, mawawala lahat yun.
J.J. Helderband, now to Tubid. Tubid. Got a fancy pass. And that blew up in their faces. P.J. Simon. The kick out to Adukol. Here's Roger Yap. And Helderband takes it away. Forward to Tubid against Adukol. Ball away siya. Ay, lako, ayaw pa rin. But Tubid trying to take it away from Romel Adukol. Tatawagan po ng foul si Ronald Tubid in that particular play.
Remember, ever since that infraction, yung double foul niyan, it seems that itong Pure Foods, they have the ones that have retained their composure. Itong Barangay Ginebra, they've only had one free throw simula nung pagkakataon na yun.
Well, nakita nga natin, dahil lalong-lalo na dahil naghahabol na itong Barangay Ginebra, medyo may konting gigil, may mga pinipilit silang mga play na hindi naman gumagana so far. That one is going to be an offensive foul on Peter June Simon. Specialty of the house yan ni Ronald Tubid. Makanti mo lang ng konti, tatalsik ka agad dyan. And matatawagan ka ng offensive foul. You have to be very careful around Ronald Tubid pag yan ang bantay mo. Pwede ba Manila the alley-oop play? Akala ko lalabas pa eh. Finally, they got it to go. 5 points for Rafi Rivas off the assist by Billy Mamaril. And a 13-point lead by Purefood second quarter. Chico Laneta is back in the game. So is James Yap. And Rafi Rivas passed it to the wrong man. James Yap says, ganun ba? And sa 3-3 sa tintinyo ni James Yap.
Ito yung masakit. Sorry, Ed. Ito yung masakit para sa Barangay Ginebra. Lamang na yung Pure Foods ng ganyang kalaki. Ngayon pa lang, nagbumabalik ito si James Yap. At yun pa lang yung una niyang 3-point shot.
Oh, another shot block by Pure Foods this time on Billy Mamaril. Simon to Chico Lanete. The pick by Romel Adupul. And the turnover. 2 minutes and 45 to go in the second quarter. 16-point lead para sa Pure Foods beef tender Juicy Giants. At meron po tayo timeout na tinawag. Let's go back to ABC 5.
Undermanned, but I'm happy with the way the players are playing. They're playing their hearts out every game. They're playing very hard. So, yun lang naman ang hinihingi ko sa kanila. If we keep on playing that way, I think we'll be pretty successful in this conference.
Well, so far in this game, it seems like the Pure Foods TJ Giants are playing harder than Barangay Ginebra. Well, maybe not, no? Pero playing a little looser. Di ba? Mas magaang ang dating ng Pure Foods. Medyo parang tight itong Barangay Ginebra, which is why they've been missing a lot of what looked like easy shots.
Also, you have to contend with the materials na hawak ni Coach Jong Chico. Yes, last year sila yung champion. Pero tingnan mo naman ang nawala sa kanila o hindi naglalaro ngayon sa koponan nila compared to last year. You're looking at Eric Meng. You're looking at Mark Kagiwa. And I think the most important guy that they don't have this year compared to last year, ito si Rudy Hatfield. Rudy Hatfield was one, I would say, their most important part. At ito, wala na siya ngayon. Kaya you have to feel for Coach Joey Chico.
At may dadagdag pa si Dominic Uy about Ginebra. Dominic?
Wala sabi ni Coach Jong Chico that last time out, guys, don't lose your poise, don't lose your focus. Mag-focus tayo dito sa huling 2.5 minutes and make a run just before the end of the first half.
Well, that did not happen, obviously, in that last possession. At nabigay na naman nila sa Pure Foods inadvertently ang bola. At ito si James Yap against Ronald Tubid. Binigay kay Kirby Raimundo. Underneath the basket, the ball is tapped out by J.R. Aquino. Shot clock stops at 9 seconds. James Yap, pinitik ka lang. Sabi yan, hindi ko kailangan ng 9 seconds.
And the funny thing there, nung nahulog ito si James Yap, sino sumunod sa kanya? Paul Artadi, which happens to be on the other team already.
Well, old habits die hard. Matagal magkasama yan. In college. At dito rin sa Pure Foods, di ba? Kirby Raimundo puts it up.
That experience right there. Kirby Raimundo face up, realizes na yung bumabantay sa kanya is not a threat to block his shot dahil masyado maliit. Tira na lang, boarding, easy.
Lumobo na po ng gusto itong kalamangan na Pure Foods as J.J. Helderman hesitates on a three-point shot and kicks the ball out of play. A lot of opportunities being wasted now by Barangay Ginebra. Launches it from way out. Gilbert Lau gets the rebound. Bench scoring pa lang, 10 na kagad. Awkward shot. And again, Pure Foods rebounds after one attempt by Barangay Ginebra. Narito si John Dan Salvador working against Lau.